Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing another college day in my life. Today's video is actually sponsored by We Are 8 and I'm really excited to talk about them with you guys a little bit later. So it's a Thursday and I have no classes today, but I do have some studying that I need to do. I'm actually editing a video right now that my friends and I are making for TikTok, and I know that's like so extra. I'm literally editing it in Final Cut Pro, but it's just because there's lots of like cuts to this. It's so funny. It's like all of us doing our makeup and then it like transitions to each of us as if we're like dropping down the makeup brush or something, but it's so funny. I'm about to go grab an iced coffee. I'm venturing outside. I got yelled at for going to get an iced coffee in one of my last videos, but I am not a threat. I'm going through the drive-thru. They hand me my iced coffee and I go home. Yeah, let's do it. Coffee. Cheers. And also got some hash browns. Talk to you guys about We Are 8 and just a little bit about climate change. So as most of us are aware, global warming has really been in effect this past century. If you're unfamiliar with what that is, basically it's the unusually rapid increase in the Earth's surface temperature. And over the past century, this has been primarily due to fossil fuels and greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases are what's released as people burn fossil fuels. We all really need to take our part, and this is something that I'm very passionate about to stop global warming and also other effects of climate change. I really want to use my platform for a good cause and things that I'm very passionate about, and this is one of them. If Earth's temperatures continue to rise in the future, living things on Earth are going to become extinct due to these high temperatures. But if humans contribute to control global warming, the world would be cooler and these high temperatures we're experiencing would decrease. If everyone does their part and takes a stand to try and end most of the climate changes that are occurring, the world's essentially going to be a safer place to live in. And this is really We Are 8's mission, to just unite the voices of millions of people with the money and muscle of big brands that can help to reverse climate change. Every time that you guys watch ads on We Are 8, brands pay you and donations are made in your name to climate change. Watch 10 ads a day on We Are 8 and you'll get paid to make money as well as an impact with only 5 minutes of your day. I will have everything linked down below for you guys. Definitely check it out. I really want to start using my platform to talk about some good causes here and there. This is something that I'm very passionate about and I hope it inspires some of you guys as well. Everything will be linked down below. Thank you so much We Are 8 for sponsoring today's video, and let's get back into it. I'm just having some lunch now. I'm having a grilled cheese and then some SpaghettiOs. I actually showed me eating some grilled cheese in my last video and was saying how I wanted like tomato soup or something. So now we actually have some. Just like comfort food. So yummy. I'm also gonna do my daily stoic for today while I eat. Just read that. Yeah. way too much, and now I really, really want an iPad. I'm ready to drop like $800 or however much iPads are. I want one so bad, but maybe I'll just wait and get one like next fall, like before next fall semester, because I only have these classes for like 3 more weeks, and then it's summer. So, but I want an iPad so bad now. Like, I feel like such a nerd. I just enjoyed that way too much. I started watching How to Fix a Drug Scandal yesterday, and it's so good. I have so many movies and TV shows that I want to watch now because I posted this Instagram photo yesterday, and I asked you guys to comment like your TV show movie recommendations. So if you guys need any ideas, definitely go in the comments of that picture because there's so many good recommendations. Being stuck in the house all day, I have a lot of time to be watching TV, so I always have something on like in the background. I feel like I do laundry in every video. I don't know why that is, but I did just do some laundry, so I have a lot to fold right now. I'll probably put on a TV show like How to Fix a Drug Scandal. If you like true crime, I feel like you would like it, but I'm just gonna put that on while I do some folding, and then I'll probably do some more class stuff. Watch one of my lectures. I don't really feel like folding laundry right now, but gotta do it. I forgot to tell you guys, I had to schedule my classes this morning. We have like set times that we're able to start enrolling in classes for like the following semester. So mine was 10 a.m. this morning. So I just scheduled all my fall classes, and I'm actually taking 7 classes, which I think was, it added up to be like 16 credits, which the max we can take in our tuition I believe is 18. The 7 classes I'm taking vary from like 4 credits, 3 credits, 2 credits, 1 credit. But the thing that's annoying is like even though a class may only be like 1 or 2 credits, it's still a lot of work and it's still really time consuming. It's not like it means it's easy just because it's a 1 credit or 2 credit class necessarily. So I'm definitely going to be very, very busy this fall. I was planning out my semesters like until I graduate, and it looks like I'm going to be pretty busy my remaining semesters. So that's good for you guys because that means you guys are going to get a lot of like college productive content, but I'm definitely going to be very busy, and I'm really going to need to find a balance and grind during the day. That's what I was thinking. Like, my schedule is pretty nice the way it's set up. 2 of the 7 classes are online, but I was thinking like I should just live in the library like during the day. But yeah, I just kind of wanted to update you guys on my classes. I don't really want to get into it right now, but I'm back to being an advertising major. I know, I'm very indecisive that this is what my major will be because I can't change it anymore. So, because if I want to graduate on time, I can't change it anymore. And I'm interested in this, so like, it's fine. I don't know. I'm a little bit of a mess. Maybe I'll like talk to you guys about it. I kind of want to do like a Q&A type of thing. But yeah, I'm a little bit hungry. I think I might go grab a snack. I have to watch this movie for my IAH class, which is like a university requirement. I've talked about this before. This class is kind of just like a humanities class, but it's so much work. I think I took one of the worst ones because there's so much reading and movies we have to watch, and just like the movies aren't bad, like it's the reading that's bad. There's so many books we have to read. But yeah, I have to watch that movie. I think it's called The Girl Who Walked Alone at Night or something like that. So I think I'm gonna go grab a snack and I'll watch that. Okay guys, I think I'm going to end off today's video here. I'm not going to really be doing anything too interesting. Vlogging while I'm home is hard. I feel like it's so boring. So let me know like what kind of things that you guys like to see in my vlogs, and I'll like incorporate them. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you so much to We Are 8 for sponsoring today's video. I'll have all the information down in the description box. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and you subscribe for more. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media so that we can be friends, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!